The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into biological medicine marks a new era in healthcare, offering groundbreaking potential to transform how we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases. As AI technology continues to advance, it is unlocking capabilities that were once the stuff of science fiction, empowering researchers, clinicians, and patients alike with tools that can accelerate the pace of medical innovation and improve patient outcomes. Traditionally, the medical field has been driven by the expertise of doctors and researchers, relying on years of research, trial and error drug development, and manual analysis of medical data. But with AI, we are now able to process vast amounts of complex data, such as genetic sequences, medical images, and patient histories at unprecedented speed and accuracy. This enables faster drug discovery, personalized treatment plans, and more accurate diagnoses, all while optimizing the efficiency of healthcare systems worldwide. From the realm of drug discovery where I can predict how molecules will behave in the body to the early detection of diseases like cancer through medical imaging, AI is reshaping the very foundations of biological medicine. It's also enabling more precise surgeries, more accurate risk assessments for chronic diseases, and even AI-powered mental health interventions. However, despite these exciting advancements, the integration of AI into medicine also presents challenges, including concerns about data privacy, bias in algorithms, and the need for clear ethical and regulatory frameworks. This rapid evolution in biological medicine is not only revolutionizing research and clinical practice, but also opening new avenues for personalized, preventative care that could improve the quality of life for millions of people around the globe. The synergy between AI and biological medicine holds the promise of not just extending lives, but making healthcare more accessible, efficient, and precise than ever before. 1. Drug discovery and development. One of the most significant contributions AI is making in biological medicine is in drug discovery, the process of identifying new medications to treat diseases. Traditionally, drug development is a lengthy and expensive process, taking 10-15 years and costing billions of dollars. Many drugs fail in clinical trials, which is a huge financial and human cost. AI's role: predicting drug target interactions. AI models can analyze molecular structures and predict how certain molecules will interact with disease-related targets in the body. This helps researchers identify promising drug candidates faster, reducing the trial and error process. Simulating biological responses. AI algorithms simulate how drugs will behave in the body by analyzing vast amounts of biological data, such as protein folding, gene expression, and metabolism. This approach helps identify potential side effects or adverse reactions early in the process. Drug repurposing. One of AI's most exciting applications is in drug repurposing, where existing drugs are tested for new therapeutic purposes. For example, AI systems have been used to identify potential treatments for diseases like COVID-19 by analyzing data on existing medications and their molecular effects. This reduces the time and cost of developing new drugs from scratch. Accelerating clinical trials. Clinical trials are essential but time-consuming. I can help optimize trial designs, select the right patients, predict patient responses to treatments, and even model virtual clinical trials, reducing the need for long and costly in-person trials. 2. Personalized and precision medicine. Traditional medicine often applies the same treatment plan to all patients with a specific disease, but this approach doesn't account for the vast differences between individuals genetically, biologically, and environmentally. Precision medicine aims to tailor medical treatments to individual patients, ensuring better outcomes. AI's role: genomic data analysis. I can rapidly analyze genomic data from sequencing technologies like DNA-RNA sequencing. By looking for specific genetic mutations, I can predict which therapies might be most effective for an individual. For example, in cancer, some tumors have genetic mutations that make them sensitive to certain drugs, and AI helps identify these mutations more accurately. Identifying treatment responses. AI systems can analyze patient data, like genetic profiles, medical history, and lifestyle factors, to predict how they will respond to different treatments. For example, I can help doctors choose the best chemotherapy regimen for a patient based on their unique tumor characteristics. Predictive health models. AI algorithms can also predict the future progression of diseases, e.g., cancer, cardiovascular disease, based on patient data. This allows clinicians to intervene earlier, providing a more personalized and proactive approach to care. 3. Medical imaging and diagnostics, AI, is transforming the way doctors interpret medical images such as X-rays, MRI scans, CT scans, and ultrasounds. These images are crucial for diagnosing a wide variety of conditions, but they are complex and require expertise to analyze. AI's role: deep learning for image analysis. AI, particularly deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is used to detect patterns and anomalies in medical images. AI algorithms can learn to recognize signs of diseases such as tumors, fractures, and lesions in images with high accuracy, sometimes even outperforming human doctors. Early detection. AI's ability to identify tiny anomalies that the human eye might miss can enable much earlier detection of diseases like cancer. For instance, AI-powered tools are now being used to detect early-stage breast cancer or lung cancer in radiographs and CT scans before symptoms are noticeable, dramatically improving the chances of successful treatment. Real-time analysis. AI can analyze medical images in real time, offering immediate insights to doctors during diagnostic procedures. This speeds up the diagnostic process, especially in emergency rooms or during surgeries. 4. Predictive healthcare and disease prevention. AI's capacity to process big data allows it to spot patterns in patient health that might not be immediately obvious. By combining data from genetic tests, lifestyle factors, environmental exposures, and medical history, AI can provide valuable predictive insights into a patient's risk for various diseases. AI's role: chronic disease prediction. AI can predict the likelihood of developing chronic conditions like diabetes, heart disease, and obesity based on risk factors such as genetic predisposition, lifestyle choices, and environmental factors. This enables doctors to take preventative measures, such as recommending lifestyle changes, long before symptoms manifest. Personalized risk assessment. AI can analyze a person's health history and provide personalized risk scores for developing diseases, enabling early intervention. For example, AI-powered tools can assess the risk of cardiovascular events, heart attacks, strokes, by analyzing factors like blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and family medical history. Infectious disease forecasting. AI has been used to track and predict the spread of infectious diseases, such as COVID-19 or flu outbreaks, by analyzing real-time data on disease transmission patterns, helping public health organizations respond more effectively. 5. Robot-assisted surgery. The integration of AI into robotics is enhancing surgical precision, allowing for minimally invasive procedures that were once unimaginable. Robotic-assisted surgery allows surgeons to perform operations with greater accuracy, often resulting in shorter recovery times and less risk to patients. AI's role: surgical assistance. AI-driven robotic systems like the Da Vinci surgical system provide surgeons with enhanced dexterity and precision. The AI can process real-time data and adjust the surgical tools accordingly, allowing for more delicate and complex procedures such as neurosurgery or heart surgery with higher precision. Personalized surgical plans. AI can assist in creating personalized surgical plans by analyzing a patient's anatomy and medical history. For instance, AI tools can generate 3D models of a patient's organs, helping the surgeon plan the operation more effectively. Training and simulation. AI-powered simulators are being used to train surgeons. These simulations provide virtual environments in which surgeons can practice procedures without putting patients at risk. 6. Natural language processing, NLP, for medical records. In the realm of medical documentation, AI is helping to manage and analyze electronic health records, EHRs, which contain vast amounts of data that are often unstructured or hard to access. AI's role: medical text mining. AI uses natural language processing, NLP, to extract useful information from clinical notes, research papers, and other medical texts. This allows doctors to quickly find relevant patient information, medical research findings, or past treatment histories without manually sifting through pages of notes. Decision support. AI-based clinical decision support systems, CDSS, help doctors by recommending the best treatment options based on a patient's medical history, current condition, and ongoing research. These systems help ensure that the treatments are evidence-based and reduce the chances of errors. 7. Mental health and behavioral health, AI, is also playing a growing role in mental health by helping to monitor and diagnose conditions like depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorder. AI's role. Behavioral health monitoring AI tools can analyze patterns in speech, text, or even facial expressions to identify signs of mental health conditions. For example, AI can monitor a person's social media activity or text messages for signs of depression or suicidal thoughts, allowing for early intervention. AI-powered therapy. Virtual assistants or chatbots, such as Wobot and Wysa, use AI to provide therapeutic interventions to users in the form of conversational therapy. These tools can help individuals with mental health conditions manage their emotions and learn coping strategies in real time, outside of traditional clinical settings. 8. Ethics and challenges. Despite its transformative potential, AI's use in biological medicine comes with challenges, particularly related to ethics, bias, and privacy. Key challenges. Data privacy. AI relies heavily on access to sensitive patient data, raising concerns about data security and privacy. Strict regulations like HIPAA in the US and GDPR in Europe are working to ensure patient data is protected. Bias in AI models. If AI models are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate or amplify these biases, leading to inequitable care. For example, if a model is trained on data that predominantly comes from one demographic group, it may not work as well for other groups, leading to health disparities. Accountability. As AI makes more decisions in clinical settings, questions about accountability arise. Who is responsible if an AI model makes a mistake in diagnosis or treatment recommendations? It's crucial to define clear frameworks for how AI decisions will be regulated and monitored. AI's role in biological medicine is not just a passing trend, it is fundamentally reshaping how we approach healthcare. From speeding up drug discovery to enabling more personalized treatments, improving diagnostic accuracy, and making surgical procedures safer, AI is poised to make medicine more effective. In conclusion, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, into biological medicine represents a revolutionary step forward in healthcare, offering the potential to dramatically transform every aspect of medical practice. From accelerating drug discovery and enabling personalized treatments, to improving diagnostic accuracy and facilitating early disease detection, AI is poised to reshape the future of medicine in ways that were once unimaginable. As AI continues to evolve, it opens up new frontiers for more efficient, effective, and precise healthcare, making it possible to tailor medical interventions to the unique needs of each individual. Despite its immense promise, the adoption of AI in medicine also brings important challenges, such as concerns around data privacy, the risk of bias in algorithms, and the need for rigorous ethical frameworks to ensure patient safety and fairness. However, with careful regulation and collaboration between AI developers, healthcare providers, and policymakers, these challenges can be addressed, enabling AI to reach its full potential and improving patient outcomes globally. Ultimately, AI in biological medicine is not just a tool for accelerating progress, it is a transformative force that could unlock new possibilities for preventative care, cure for previously untreatable conditions, and a more equitable healthcare system. As we continue to harness the power of AI, we are poised to enter an era of medicine that is more personalized, data-driven, and patient-centered than ever before, offering hope for a healthier future for all.